Welcome to the Star Mind channel, the place where we uncover the mysteries of the universe, dive into the depths of space, and fantasize about what awaits humanity beyond Earth. If you love science fiction, astronomy, and epic stories about stars, then you're in the right spot. Today, we'll discuss something truly grandiose. What does a starstorm or cosmic galaxy collision look like? Imagine a titanic dance of gigantic structures where billions of stars, gas clouds, and black holes collide in cosmic chaos. This isn't just theory, it's a reality that astronomers observe through telescopes like Hubble or James Webb. We won't limit ourselves to dry facts. We'll fantasize, painting a vivid picture of this spectacle as if you're flying through space yourself. Subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications so you don't miss new releases, and let's dive into this cosmic drama. First, let's clarify what a star storm is. This term is a poetic metaphor for a phenomenon known to astronomers as starburst or star explosion. It's an episode of intense star formation when a galaxy suddenly flares up like a storm of fire, creating millions of new stars in mere millions of years. And what triggers this storm? Most often, it's a cosmic galaxy collision, or merger as scientists call it. Galaxies don't stand still, they move, attracted by gravity, and when two of them meet, a true cosmic ballet begins, lasting billions of years. Imagine, our Milky Way galaxy, with its 100 billion stars, will collide with its neighbor Andromeda in 4.5 billion years. It won't be an explosion like in movies, because stars and galaxies are positioned so far apart, like peas in an ocean, that the probability of direct collision is minuscule. Instead, gravity distorts the shapes of the galaxies, pulling out long tails of gas and dust, and it's in these chaotic zones that the starstorm is born. Let's imagine what it looks like from the inside. You are a cosmic traveler aboard an imaginary starship approaching the collision site. At first, everything seems calm. Two spiral galaxies, like the Milky Way and Andromeda, approach each other at speeds of hundreds of kilometers per second. Andromeda, larger than ours, appears as a gigantic whirl of stars. Its disk shines with blue and white light from young hot stars, while the core pulses with the yellow glow of older stars. As they draw nearer, gravity begins its dance. The outer arms of the galaxies twist, as if pulled by an invisible hand. Long tails appear, streams of gas, dust, and stars stretching hundreds of thousands of light years. These tails resemble insect antennae, like in the famous antenna galaxies that astronomers observe today. Imagine, from your starship, you see these tails shimmering with pink and violet clouds. This is hydrogen ionizing from the ultraviolet radiation of newborn stars. And now, the climax, the star storm ignites. When the galaxies penetrate each other, their gas clouds compress under gravitational pressure. It's like squeezing a rain cloud to cause a downpour, but on cosmic scales. The gas cools, condenses, and suddenly an explosion of starbirth. Millions of stars ignite simultaneously, transforming the collision regions into blinding fiery storms. From your position, it looks like a cosmic fireworks display. Bright blue clusters of young stars surrounded by pink nebula where gas glows from energy. These starstorms can be so powerful that the galaxy becomes 10 to 100 times brighter than usual. Imagine the sky filled with thousands of supernovae, stars exploding at the end of their lives, scattering elements like iron and gold throughout space. Black holes at the centers of galaxies, like our Sagittarius A star, awaken, devouring gas and emitting X-ray flares like lightning in a storm. Let's fantasize deeper. What does it look like from a planet in one of the galaxies? Imagine, you are a resident of a planet on the outskirts of the Milky Way billions of years from now. At first, Andromeda appears in the sky as a small nebula, but over time it expands, occupying half the sky. Its stars mix with ours, creating a new, brighter night sky. During the storm, you see star rivers, streams of stars flowing across the sky like a perpetual meteor shower. Gas tails transform into gigantic clouds, similar to the Orion Nebula but thousands of times larger, where entire star clusters are born. This isn't destruction, but creation. Galaxy mergers often lead to the formation of elliptical giants like Messier 87 with trillions of stars. But there's a dark side: dust storms that darken the sky, or gravitational waves that make planets tremble. Astronomers are already recording such events. For example, the antenna galaxies, where two spiral disks merge forming antennae from millions of young stars, or NGC 2936, where interaction distorts the shape as if pulling toffee. Scientists model this on computers. Simulations show how galaxies swirl, merge, and in the center, a super bright core flares up, an active galactic nucleus where a black hole devours matter. The starstorm is not only a spectacle, but also a key to the universe's evolution. It's in such mergers that new generations of stars, planets, and possibly life are born. But is this dangerous for us? For the solar system, no. During the collision with Andromeda, our star will simply find itself in a new galaxy, which scientists jokingly call Milky Way. The sky will change, becoming brighter, but Earth, if it survives until then, won't suffer directly. This is a reminder that the universe is dynamic, eternal in its changes. Friends, this is just a drop in the ocean of cosmic mysteries. How do you imagine a starstorm? Would you like to see it with your own eyes? Write in the comments. Perhaps we'll discuss your idea in the next video. If you liked it, give it a like, share with friends, and subscribe to StarMind. More adventures in the depths of space await. Until next time, and may the stars illuminate your path.